Hello everyone, welcome to ENGL 115 Introduction to Literature. This is just a quick little preview of the website, the place that you're going to be doing all of your work this semester. This is an asynchronous class, so there's no specific time during the week that you need to be logged in, but you have an entire week to do a set of assignments that'll be posted on this website, on our Brightspace site, and I try to make it look nice. So I hope you enjoy the way it looks, the way it's laid out, the presentation of it too. So when you log into the class, you're going to see this, of course. You'll see announcements for each week. That'll post the information that you need to know. I've tried to make everything here linked up, so if I'm requiring you to read something or to find something, there's usually a link for it. For this class, as you know, we have three books that are listed for the course, but I taught this summer and I found that students had a hard time accessing some of the books. So everything that you need to read for this class also has a link within the class. I have a PDF copy of the play and the novel that we'll be reading, and I have some websites that have in PDF copies of the short stories we'll be reading, as well as the poems. So I personally like to have a book to read from. I'm not a big fan of always reading on the screen, but if you just wanted to read the stuff online or get the links and print them up, you could certainly do that. The books are not necessarily required for the class, but they're encouraged to get, and like I said, everything that is assigned, there are links within the class as well. Alright, so here we go. This is the announcement section. This is where you'll find the work that's due each week. Everything is due on Sundays by the end of the day for this class. There's my instructor profile, a little more bearded there. This is the best way to contact me for this semester is email. I'll be in my office from time to time, which is what this place is, but I'll be doing a lot of work from home as well, and so email is going to be the best way to get in touch with me. Once you go to this class or this page, you're going to want to get to the content, the information for the class. We click on content, and that takes us here. And I know you've gotten here because you're watching this video. Now, on the left-hand side, you're going to see these different tabs. This is a good way to navigate the course. Instead of using the back button for the syllabus and course information, you'll find my information, the letter that I sent earlier last week, the required book list, some other details about what you should be doing, the syllabus, and the assignment schedule. That's a great thing to have printed out for you. If you wanted to have a folder for this class with documents, that's a great thing to put in there because we will not stray from the schedule. There are quizzes throughout the semester, like I said. If you wanted to access those, you can click on the reading quiz tab, but you can also access those within each week's content. There are 4 different major writing assignments, I would call them. A short story essay, a winner's bone exam, a final reflection at the end of the semester, and then there's an extra credit assignment. You can find those in the assignments tab. The ones that are coming up in the middle and at the end of the semester aren't posted yet, but the first major writing assignment, which is due around week 6, don't panic, it's week 6, it's a long time from now. You'll find that posted right there if you wanted to take a look at that. There are different web links that I refer to throughout this semester. You can find them there. Handouts are going to be, again, everything's posted within each week, but if you wanted to look through the handouts, you could find them there. And then I do have some interesting audio pieces that people can listen to, a recording of the play, an interview with a couple of the authors, some of the short stories read out loud. You can find those in the podcast information. And then my information is also here on the left-hand side. Now, some of this stuff you might visit from time to time, but the folder you're going to visit the most throughout the semester is the course content, the Introduction to Literature weekly assignments. And we see a picture of the Yale Library here, which is extraordinary. Each week will be posted on Monday, and again you'll have the whole week to get the work done. Each week will be posted as we go through the semester, so the only week you're going to be seeing right now is week 1. You won't see these other weeks because they're hidden, but for week 1 we can take a look at that. And at the top, you'll find the assignments, links to those different assignments. You'll find any information or handouts that you'll need, and also generally typed up lecture notes. If you don't want to watch videos that I post, you can always go to the lecture notes and generally get the same information. So look for that, week 1, week 2, week 3 lecture notes. You'll see basically what I'm going to cover in the video lectures typed up if you wanted to read instead of watch. You also see links for the different assignments each week. So we have a discussion assignment for week 1 and we have a quiz for week 1. Alright, I think that covers what I want to share with you about the website. It's pretty easy to navigate. If you wanted to, let me show you this. For our discussion assignments, when you're ready to complete your discussion assignment, you go to the assignment, click on it, you'll see the information you need, start a new thread, enter your information, type your work, and then post it. The one thing I'll say about discussion assignments, it hasn't popped up so much in Brightspace. It certainly was a problem with our other platform that we switched from. But sometimes you will get logged out while you're typing your information, and when you go to save what you've typed, it will magically be gone and disappear. So what I always advocate for students is to look at the assignment, look at the questions that are asked, and then type your information on a Word document program. Google Docs, Word, Pages. And then, once you're done, highlight, copy all that information, and paste it back into the dialog box here. That way you won't lose your work, and if anything goes funky with the platform or with your internet connection, you'll have it saved on a word processing form or word processing program. Alright, this discussion work, as long as the quizzes, again, everything is due on Sunday of each week. I think that's all I want to show you for now. When you're navigating this, you can use the breadcrumbs, you can also use the buttons up top, and I hope you found this video informational about the website and course information. Best of luck this week 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via email.